Today we're gonna learn Sinhalese. Eka, deka, tuna, hatra, paha, hai, haya, hata, ata.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we can count to 8, can't we?
Yeah.
Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Eka, deka, tuna, hatra, paha, haya, haya. Oh,
You said it again. Hata.
hata, ata.
A very, very good morning to you on day 7. Check this rain out. It's gone crazy. Super heavy rain, clear in the air. It's going to be wonderful later, I betcha. Okay, so amazing breakfast. String hoppers, egg hoppers at the back there. Here we've got down there, bottom right, coconut roti, which is fantastic. Dal over here, fish curry, coconut sambal, onion sambal at the back there, and chicken curry. As a Brit, I have to say the English breakfast is still the best in the world, but this really is a close second. Absolutely wonderful. Also, just to let you know, guys, I have started finally cooking. I'm actually going to do some serious cooking this week. Spending too much time with the kids and having too much fun, to be honest. But yeah, there we go. Just a look at this house just one more time for you guys, because it really, I'm just being blown away by it. So as you can see, the sun is now out, the rain's gone. It only lasted like an hour or so. We've got this boat here, which is available to us with this house. So we're going to go downriver. There's a temple down that way with some monkeys apparently, so we're going to go and check that out. But yeah, just, I mean, delightful being in this wonderful, wonderful house. I'll leave the link actually for it because it is pretty incredible.
Cool. You got your binoculars? Can you see anything interesting? Any animals? You can see the GoPro. You need the binoculars to see the GoPro. Yeah? It's right here, look.
Nice one, mate.
Yeah, baby.